everyone! Welcome back to our channel, English with Emily and George.
Hi everyone! We are excited to see you again.
Today we have a very interesting English lesson.
A topic that will improve your speaking skills.
Have you ever learned a word,
And then found another word with almost the same meaning?
but you don't know when to use which one?
For example, big and large.
Both mean almost the same thing.
But we don't always use them in the same situations.
Today we will learn
English words with the same meaning, but different uses. These small differences can make your English sound much more natural.
So let's begin.
Our first pair is big and large,
Both words mean something is not small.
but they are used differently.
Big is very common in daily conversation.
Example, I have a big house.
This sounds natural.
I have a big problem.
We often use big with feelings and situations.
Now, large.
Large is more formal.
It is often used for size, numbers, or measurements.
Example,
A large amount of water. A large number of students.
we usually don't say, I have a large problem.
It is possible, but less natural.
Remember, big is equal to everyday English. Large is equal to formal or measured. Now our second pair.
Start and begin.
Both mean to do something first.
But the feeling is different.
Start is more common in speaking.
Example, let's start the class.
Start the car.
Start eating.
Begin sounds a little more formal.
Example, the meeting will begin at 9.
The story begins with a question.
In daily conversation, start is used more.
But in writing,
Begin is common. Quick practice. The movie will dash soon.
both can work.
But start sounds more natural. The book dash with a mystery.
Begin.
Next one is very important. Job and work.
Many learners confuse them,
Both relate to employment.
but they are not the same.
Job is a specific position. Example, I have a new job.
A doctor has a job.
A teacher has a job.
Work is the activity.
Example, I go to work every day.
I have a lot of work.
You can have a job.
But you do
Work. Remember, job is equal to position. Work is equal to activity. Now let's talk about house and home.
They look similar,
And both relate to where we live.
but the feeling is different.
House means the building. Example, my house has 3 rooms.
You are talking about the structure.
Home means the place where you feel comfortable. Example, I love my home. Home has emotion. A house becomes a home when people live there. Remember, house is to building. Home is equal to feeling.
Our next pair, see and meet. Both can talk about people, but they are different. See means to notice someone. Example, I saw Sarah yesterday. Maybe you saw her in a shop. Meet means to come together, usually for the first time or an arranged meeting. Example, I met Sarah yesterday. This can mean you were introduced or you spent time together. Remember, see is equal to notice. Meet is equal to come together. Time for a quick quiz. Choose the best word. Number 1, I have a new dash. Job or work? Answer, job. Number 2, I go to dash every morning. Answer, work. Number 3, this is my dash. If you mean a place with feelings, home. Great job! Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our lesson. Now we will learn another confusing pair, fast
And quick. Both words mean something happens with speed, but they are used differently. Fast usually describes speed, especially movement. Example, he runs fast. The car is fast. It describes how quickly something moves. Now, quick. Quick usually describes a short amount of time. Example, take a quick shower. Let's have a quick meeting. The meeting is not necessarily fast. It is just short. Remember, fast is equal to speed. Quick is equal to short time.
Our next pair is very common. Speak and talk.
Both mean communication.
But the situations are different.
Speak is often more formal.
Example, I speak English.
I need to speak with my manager.
It focuses on language or a serious conversation.
Talk is more casual.
Example, I talked to my friend.
We talked for hours.
In daily conversations, talk is very common.
Remember, speak is equal to formal or language. Talk is equal to casual conversation.
Now, let's learn trip and travel.
Many learners use them incorrectly,
Both relate to going somewhere.
but the grammar is different.
Trip is a noun.
It means a journey.
Example, my trip was amazing.
I went on a trip.
Travel is usually a verb.
It means to go from one place to another.
Example, I love to travel.
I travel every year.
Remember, trip is equal to journey. Travel is equal to action.
Now we have another interesting pair. Look and watch. Many people confuse these,
Both involve your eyes.
but they are not the same.
Look means you focus your eyes.
Example, look at this picture.
The picture is not moving.
You just focus on it.
Watch means you follow something moving.
Example, I watch a movie.
I watch football because there is action. Remember, look is equal to focus. Watch is equal to follow movement.
Our final pair is hear and listen.
A very important difference. Hear means sound comes to your ears. You do not always choose it.
Example, I hear music.
Maybe someone is playing music nearby. Listen means you pay attention.
You choose to focus on the sound.
Example, I listen to music.
You want to enjoy it.
Remember, hear is equal to receive sound. Listen is equal to focus on sound.
Let's add some bonus words. Borrow and lend.
Both involve giving things.
Borrow means take something from someone.
Example, can I borrow your pen?
Lend means give something to someone.
Example, can you lend me your pen?
Remember, borrow is equal to take. Lend is equal to give.
Another confusing pair.
Bring and take.
Bring means move something toward someone.
Example, bring your book here.
Take means move something away.
Example, take this book with you.
Remember, bring is equal to come here. Take is equal to go there.
Now let's test your memory.
Choose the correct word.
Number 1, English.
Speak or talk.
Answer, speak.
Number 2, I to my friend yesterday.
Answer, talked.
Number 3, I like to dash around the world.
Answer, travel.
Number 4, I went on a school dash.
Answer, trip.
Number 5, can I dash your phone?
Answer, borrow. Can you dash me your phone? Answer, lend.
Let's quickly revise everything.
Big and large.
Big is common. Large is formal.
Start and begin.
Start is common. Begin is formal.
Job and work.
Job is a position. Work is activity. house and home. House is a building.
Home is a feeling.
See and meet. See is notice. Meet is come together. Fast and quick. Fast is speed. Quick is short time. Speak and talk. Speak is formal. Talk is casual. Trip and travel. Trip is a journey. Travel is an action. Look and watch. Look is focus. Watch is movement. Hear and listen. Hear is sound. Listen is attention.
So everyone, today we learned many English words.
Words with similar meanings but different uses.
These small differences can make your English much better.
Keep practicing these words in your daily conversations.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like this video.
share this video with your friends and family.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
English with Emily and George.
Press the subscribe button for more easy English lessons.
Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.
Thank you for watching.
Keep learning.